Kyosho Concept 30 DX. JR XP 642. Everything works. Charger, glow igniter, and a fairly new 12-volt starter. Helicopter is in mint condition. These blades are the original blades. They're old. I would recommend getting new ones. They work for now, just for testing. I did get it to run. Everything works, but needs final programming. I'll show you the operation of the servos. Has the original mechanical rated gyro. Has a OS 32 with plenty of compression. Here's a remote glow starter in the back. Alright, let's turn it on here. You hear the gyro turn on. Gyro is right down there. Here's your elevator, ailerons. You see the blades, they're old. Made out of foam and fiberglass. So would recommend getting new ones. Has a LED voltmeter display. See the rudder. And you collect it. So there you go. Kyosho Concept 30 DX. Clean, mint, engine runs great. Helicopter works, just needs final programming. Fuel and a 12-volt battery and blades. These blades do work, but I would recommend new ones. Heli Direct has them for $19 plus shipping for 550mm blades. Alright, shoot me a message, and if you're interested, it's for sale. Alright.